Today on Designing Spaces, in-home care expertise for baby boomers. Ways to finance your house. Tips from the live video chat experts at Frontdoor. Plus, how to maintain your water and keep it sparkling. And simplifying home composting. Time to design.
Well, here on Designing Spaces, we're all about making your home a more beautiful place to be. And apparently, we're doing a pretty good job because almost 100% of baby boomers want to grow old right here at home. But what does the huge demand versus the very low supply of in-home caregivers mean for you? Well, here with some answers in part 3 of our 6-part series on aging at home is Todd Houghton from HTH Caregivers.
Thanks for having me back today.
So why is the baby boom demographic so significant for our generation of aging loved ones?
It was the largest growth in our population between the years of 1946 and 1964. So 76, 78 million people are within that demographic, and they're living much longer today. Right? Thanks to modern medicine, 10,000 turning 65 every day. And we anticipate the aging population, those being over the age of 65, to approach nearly 1 billion people in the next 25 years.
What does that mean, therefore, for this huge growing group of people getting older? What's the supply of caregivers like if you're going to grow old at home and you're in that huge population boom?
Well, we definitely have a shortage. And so we have to figure out ways to get creative to increase that supply out there. Families need to start preparing now and educating themselves and understanding what they want to do as they fulfill that dream of living at home.
What do we do on a more tangible level? Besides planning, what else can we do?
HTH Caregivers have been around for 45 years. We have a lot of tried and true processes in place. We really focus on the individual. We use an Eden alternative methodology to the delivery of care that's really focused on the individual and the person as a whole, right? And then we also focus on bringing technology in to improve the efficiencies of the caregiver through our HomeWatch Connect. That really allows for that individual living at home, fulfilling that dream of being at home, wherever that is at, to be connected and engaged in a 24/7 methodology.
HomeWatch Caregivers really is a leader, not only in technology and in methodology, the Eden approach methodology, but also thinking ahead to how to create more caregivers. Tell us more about that.
Yes, so we need in the industry, in the home care industry and in the healthcare industry, about 3 million more caregivers within the next 5 years. So we're very proactive in that aspect of things, and we have a program called The Making of the Caregiver. There's a lot of people out there that are in the sandwich generation, so they're taking care of their kids, they're taking care of their grandparents, and working somewhere just to make money. So we have a program that's unique to HomeWatch Caregivers that can take an unskilled person and put them through training to become a caregiver. So that's really helping us overcome some of the shortages.
That's incredible. Where can people find out more about the wonderful things that HomeWatch Caregivers is doing?
HomeWatchCaregivers.com.
And you can also go to designingspaces.tv. Todd, you're awesome. Thanks for joining us. So much great information.
Thanks for having me.
Before you can design your space, you have to own a space. And home buying or refinancing can feel overwhelming. Endless paperwork, tough questions, limited options, big down payments, and high interest rates. But there is a better way. Imagine a bank that helps you navigate the complexity of buying a home to ease some of the stress. Meet Michelle Rosso, Chief Communications Officer at Bank OZK.
At Bank OZK, we realize buying a home should be exciting, not stressful. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or refinancing your existing home, our mortgage process is simple, it's seamless, and it's built just for you.
For Mark and Lisa, trying to navigate the multitude of forms, files, and declarations required to qualify for a mortgage is proving challenging.
Here are 4 ways that Bank OZK helps ease the stress of the home buying process. 1. Online application. Gone are the days of going into a bank branch to submit a paper loan application. Now, you can complete a home loan application online at your pace when it's convenient for you. Our online application portal not only allows you to complete, update, and manage your application requirements, but it also connects you with the people involved with your loan, like your realtor and loan officer. You can check your application status, understand what documents you need to upload, estimate your loan amount, and digitally sign documents. Plus, you can return to where you left off and get reminders to complete any outstanding items. 2. Mobile app. You should also be able to apply, update, respond to requests, and digitally sign documents on the go, not just on your computer with a scanner and fax machine nearby. Our OZK Home mobile app automatically syncs with your other devices, so you can use all of our tools to access your application. 3. Customer success team. You don't need to go through the application process alone, and you don't need to become an expert to understand the documents that you're signing. You should have a team with you the entire way to make sure you sign the right paperwork, fill out the right forms, and keep the process moving toward your home financing goals. Think of them as your personal home loan coaches. This is where Bank OZK really helps. We have some of the best loan officers in the business. Backed by our in-house underwriters and fueled by industry-leading tools, we are focused on bringing great home loans to customers at competitive rates. Our experts are always available to help navigate what loan may be right for you and what rates you can expect to get, so you can take the guesswork out of what financing will look like. Our team is with you every step of the way, from pre-qualification through closing, and we offer competitive rates and flexible terms designed to meet your budget. 4. Rates and loan options. Rates and loan options are typically the first on everyone's list, and we know it's important too. The market can be easily influenced, and it can be hard to know when to act and what loan works best for you. That's why transparency about rates and loan availability is incredibly important when evaluating a lending partner. Bank OZK posts real-time available rates and has a mortgage calculator right on our website to estimate what your monthly payments could look like. We offer a variety of home loan products to help you get the most out of your lending experience.
Bank OZK. Let us help you make this a home sweet loan. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
If your garbage disposal is not working, run the hot water and then try it again. If this doesn't work, press the reset button at the base of the unit if the motor isn't running. It might just be that the disposal has overheated and switched off. If the unit is jammed, you may need a garbage disposal wrench to fix the issue. Make sure the disposal is turned off, then put the wrench in the hole in the middle of the bottom of the unit and wiggle it back and forth. Plunge the sink. If it's a double sink, seal one of the drains, then plunge the other. You should be able to hear the suction clear the clog. Flush the drain with warm water after clearing. If the previous two methods didn't work, try boiling water and pouring that down the sink. If the water stands in the sink, let it cool, then remove it. You can repeat the process until it works, or you're sure it won't work. Either way, you'll know.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.
Pool problems like cloudy water, algae, and odors can dull your pool's shine. But with the right products, you can get it sparkling again. At HTH Pool Care, keeping your pool clear and safe is our top priority. The McDonald family has been experiencing a few issues.
We heard that shocking our pool can help with the overall maintenance. Can you explain that to me?
Yes. One of the key steps in maintaining clear and healthy safe water is shocking your pool weekly. Cal Hypo is the perfect product for that. It eliminates bacteria, algae, and it even breaks down stubborn contaminants within 24 hours.
Sounds great. So what do I do the next day?
Unlike other shocks, Cal Hypo is free of stabilizers. So this means that you won't have to worry about overstabilization or chlorine lock, which can affect your chlorine.
Sounds like Cal Hypo is the answer.
The first step is to shock your pool weekly. And we really suggest that you do this in the evening to prevent the chlorine loss from sunlight. Always make sure that your pump is running when adding the shock. This ensures that the chlorine gets dispersed over the entire pool. After applying the shock, let your pool pump run overnight.
That makes sense. I wouldn't want my kids to go in the pool until the next day.
You'll want to test your water the next day to make sure that the chlorine levels are between 1 and 4 ppm, and that your pH is between 7.2 and 7.6.
This is so much easier than I thought. It's really nice to know I'm giving my pool the best care possible.
Exactly, and by shocking your pool weekly with Cal Hypo, you're going to solve 90% of common pool water problems like algae, cloudy water, and odors. It's a small effort that makes a big difference. Thanks to HTH Pool Care, maintaining a safe, clear pool is a breeze. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. Visit hthpools.com for more tips and tools, or designingspaces.tv.
Does this sound familiar to you? You're in your kitchen, you're doing your food prep with your fruit and your vegetables, and then you take your scraps and you throw them in the disposal or in the garbage can, and then you stop and think, there must be a better way. You're not wrong, because listen to this. Here in the United States alone, we throw away 60 million pounds of food every year, and only 5% of that is composted. Thankfully, today, composting is easier than ever, and here to show us how to do it is DIY mom extraordinaire with a passion for sustainability, Haley Israeloff.
Hi, Judith. Thank you so much for having me.
I'm so glad to have you to show us what to do. So, I know you have a husband and 2 young ones at home, and I know you have almost 1 million followers who have fallen in love with your sustainable lifestyle. Tell us how that translates to the kitchen and food prep and composting.
Well, Judith, let me tell you, I just try to live my life in a way that I can reuse wherever I can. It's why I love to thrift, and I love shopping secondhand, giving life to things again.
Wonderful.
And when it comes down to especially food in the home, I have little kids, often they have a lot of food scraps, so I genuinely really love composting, and it's a lot easier than people think.
So I know that when your girls were preschool age, you used the diaper genie, and there is now a technology from the same people who created that diaper disposal technology. It's called Compost Genie. So if you're doing a typical breakfast or lunch or even a snack for the girls, how do we compost?
So I love the fact that we have a product like this to have in our kitchen all the time. Think about it, with kids, you got food scraps wherever. So when I go in with anything, I want to create a little snack bowl for them.
You lost an egg.
Yeah. I love that I could just go ahead and take the peels, put them straight into a little compost pile, and then even things like eggs.
Eggshells, right? Which people don't know.
People don't realize, that eggshells can actually be composted as well. So I would just go ahead, add that to my compost pile. And the best thing is that my kids love getting involved. So,
they do?
Yeah, my daughter comes in, she loves to step on the pedal of the Compost Genie because it's actually fully hands-free, which is amazing.
So easy, right? Yeah, it's nice to get the kids involved.
For sure.
Especially when it involves sustainability like this. They learn to love the food and to know how to not waste any part of it.
Exactly.
So what about things like pineapple? That seems a little bulky. That can be composted too?
Yeah, that can also fit into the Genie so easily. And I'll tell you what, my kids love fruits. So there's always little scraps left from, the stems of even strawberries.
Yes.
Even something like
cherry pits.
The pits,
Yep.
all of that can be thrown into the Compost Genie as well. And I love that we have things like potato salad. Imagine how much scraps comes from that. You got the onions, you got the egg peels, you got the potato peels.
Yes, when I make potato salad, I have a ton of waste, and I do feel a little bit sad to throw it away.
Yeah.
Do you make a good potato salad?
Oh, you know it.
I do too. Cook off. Even watermelon, so even these rinds, even these heavy things.
You would think, what am I gonna do with this? And it also takes up a lot of space in a garbage can in general. And for all the coffee and tea lovers, you always have a ton of this kind of waste.
Tons.
Did you know that you could put that in the compost as well?
I didn't know. I'm a tea person, but I didn't know.
All of it into the Compost Genie. Yeah. There's so many things that you can compost. It's truly also better for our earth. And I love just keeping it by my side always. Whenever there's any kind of waste, it just goes right into the compost bin, and it just keeps the space so neat and tidy as well.
Do you know how much you can put into the Compost Genie before you have to take the bag out?
What I love is that it actually has the largest capacity of anything out there on the market right now when it comes to a compost bin. So you can honestly, you don't have to keep emptying it out constantly, which is amazing, because you don't want to be trekking in and out of the house so often. And the fact that you can just put so much in it before it needs to be changed is awesome.
So it's user-friendly, it's convenient, so stylish. I love the different colors. I love the stainless steel myself.
Exactly. I have an all-white kitchen, so I love that there's a white option as well. It just looks so sleek in my kitchen and is so beautiful, so practical to always have right by your counter as well.
Yeah, very modern and sleek.
Definitely.
Now, I know one of the questions that people often have about composting is the smell, because there's moisture and then the food is in there, so there's odor. How does the Compost Genie work in that regard?
Well, Compost Genie is really great at reducing the amount of moisture that it keeps inside the compost bin. And it actually has a carbon filter, which also reduces odors at the same time. So it's not something you really have to worry about. Like I said, it can hold a large capacity and the smells are kind of contained a little bit better.
So it manages the ventilation,
Yes.
so you control moisture and odor.
It's a really, really great system. You have all your meal prep and all of your scraps. You're gonna go ahead and walk it right on over to your Compost Genie. You can just go ahead and dump everything right in.
In it goes. And how do you take care of the Compost Genie?
Well, that's the best part. All of the parts are removable and washable as well, which is so convenient to have in your kitchen.
Very convenient. And when the bag is full, what do you do with the compost?
So at that point, you can go ahead and have it picked up or dropped off. I would recommend just call your local municipalities and they will give you the best solution for you and what will work in your home.
And where can we buy a Compost Genie?
So it's available to shop at Amazon, and for more information, go to compostgenie.com.
And of course, you can also go to designingspaces.tv. And I'm getting a little hungry.
I think we should definitely dig in.
Come on, let's look for something. What do you think?
Oh, strawberries are my
Strawberry
favorite.
for one, yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
Let's do it.
Cheers. That's so good.
Good choice.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.